Hello, welcome to one of my C++ tutorials, where this time I will be showing you how to use the \n escape character and the different things we can do with it. Okay, before I go into it, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this video because I'm planning on doing more tutorial videos just like this one. But let's get to it. So the \n is an escape character. So if you ever want to do a backslash, it's at the bottom of your keyboard, and it is one after. It will be one. It won't be after the spacebar. It will be another button and then the backslash. So let's say we need to write a program where you'll produce a pyramid using a \n escape character. So we've got the IO string, the namespace, and then we do int main, set of brackets, next line, squiggly brackets, then we're off. So we need to do cout, space, shift, comma, comma, and then quotes. We can do, so when you're doing a pyramid, we need to have a little think on how we're going to do this. So space bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need shift and 8, that'll give us an asterisk. Then we hit the space bar 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two ways we can do this. We could do it this way, where we do another cout, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We could do it like this, where we're doing 2 lines. Okay, but then that's not necessarily going to work. We can't actually do it like that. Even if we were to add an escape character in there, a \n, it will work, but it's on 2 lines. So why do it on 2 lines when we could do all that on 1? So we could do a \n, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a space after each asterisk, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Next line, \n. Then we're going to hit the space bar 1, 2, 3. Shift 8, space, Shift 8, space, Shift 8, 1, 2, 3, \n. And then what we do is we hit the space bar twice to get 4 asterisks. 1, 2. Then we do the space bar n. Then we just do the space bar once, asterisks, and repeat till we get the 5. And then what we can do shift, comma, comma, and L. So we've done what we could have done on 5 lines, we've done it on 1. And we've produced our pyramid. So efficiency is the name of the game when it comes to programming. You want to do as much as you can on as less lines as you can, because we want to make our programs efficient. So that is task 3, where we've produced a pyramid using asterisks and escape characters. Number 4, another nice easy one, where we can add a little bit of realism in here. So we need to write a program where we can write 3 sentences in one print statement, which is your cout in this case. So we need our couts and we need our quotes. So we could say something like, this is the first sentence of the task, \n. This is a nice way of separating lines in C++. We could do another \n. It is better to do it in one cout rather than making 3 separate cout statements. So let's run this code together. And that works. And you'll notice that you've got the orange looking arrow here because we haven't done the end L. And to do that, you need space, shift, comma, comma, end L. By doing that, you'll see that we move down the line. And it just looks a lot cleaner when you're doing it. Okay? So that is how you do tasks 3 and 4 in C++. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please remember to like and subscribe and share, because I enjoy making these videos and I will have another one for you as soon as I can. Bye for now.